Welcome to the best picks. The best leather repair patch is probably one of the most convenient and affordable solutions for extending the life of your beloved leather chair, and in this video, we will put this self-adhesive leather repair patch to the test, examining its ease of use, durability, and overall effectiveness in concealing scratches, tears, and other imperfections on various types of leather. We will also explore different application techniques and provide tips for achieving a seamless and professional-looking repair, so you can restore your leather furniture to its former glory without breaking the bank or needing professional help. Number 5. ONine Leather Repair Patch. Say goodbye to damaged leather. This large patch is perfect for repairing tears, scratches, and other imperfections on your furniture and more. At 12 by 48 inches, it's big enough to tackle even the largest repairs. Its wide width makes it ideal for furniture restoration. Made from high-quality leather, it's smooth, waterproof, and wear-resistant. Plus, it's incredibly easy to apply with its convenient adhesive backing. Simply clean the area, cut to size, peel, and stick. It's that easy to renew the look of your favorite pieces. From sofas and car seats to jackets and bags, it can revitalize a wide variety of leather and vinyl items. Restore your belongings to their former glory. We offer over 20 classic leather colors. Find the perfect match for your furniture or accessories. Contact us for color matching assistance. What we like? It boasts an expansive size, perfect for large furniture makeovers. The premium leather ensures a professional finish that's both durable and elegant. If you need to repair large areas and want a luxurious look and feel, this is the one for you. What people say? The adhesive on this tape is incredibly strong. Once applied, it stays firmly in place, without any signs of peeling or lifting. It withstands daily use, including sliding on and off the couch and constant movement in the car, without any issues whatsoever. The generous 3 by 60 inch dimensions provide ample coverage for larger areas of damage. A single piece is often sufficient. Another standout feature of this leather repair tape is its seamless blending ability. The color and texture match the original leather remarkably well, making the repaired areas virtually indistinguishable from the rest of the surface. Number 4. OAZ Leather Repair Kit. It's made from a high-quality synthetic leather that's soft, durable, and smells great. The lychee texture gives it a beautiful look and feel. The backing has a strong, professional-grade adhesive. It ensures a secure bond that won't easily peel off. It quickly covers rips, tears, burns, and scratches on leather, vinyl, and more. Use it on furniture, car seats, or even boats. No extra glue or tools are needed. Just clean the surface, cut it to size, peel and stick. It's that simple. While we strive for accurate color representation, slight variations may occur due to lighting and display settings. We're here to help if you have any questions about color matching. What we like? Made from a premium synthetic leather, it offers a luxurious feel without the high price tag. Its strong adhesive ensures a lasting repair. If you're on a budget but still want high quality and a wide range of applications, this is a great option. What people say? The leather repair strips for boat seats proved to be an excellent solution for quick and effective seat repairs. They provided a durable and aesthetically pleasing fix that lasted throughout the summer season, ensuring our boat seats remained comfortable and visually appealing. Easy application. The repair strips are incredibly easy to use. They come with a strong adhesive backing, making the application process straightforward. No special tools or expertise required, which is great for quick, do-it-yourself fixes. Durable material, made from high-quality, marine-grade leather, the repair strips are designed to withstand the harsh marine environment. They hold up well against UV rays, saltwater, and regular wear and tear, maintaining their integrity throughout the summer. Number 3. Leather Repair Patch Kit. Scratches and tears got you down? Don't replace your favorite leather goods just yet. It's the perfect solution for repairing damaged leather sofas, chairs, car seats, and more. Save money and restore your belongings. At 25 by 50 inches and 50 mm thick, it's bigger and more durable than similar products. It's soft, wear-resistant, and feels like real leather. Choose from a range of colors and textures to match your furniture or accessories perfectly. We have crazy horse, nappa, lychee, and lambskin options. The strong, eco-friendly adhesive makes application a breeze. It'll stick firmly and blend seamlessly. Get professional-looking results in minutes. Please review the color and texture options carefully before ordering. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This patch is 50% thicker than others, providing superior durability and a more realistic leather feel. The strong, eco-friendly adhesive ensures a long-lasting repair. If you prioritize durability and have a specific color requirement, this is your best bet. What people say. Heavy-duty material, very sticky adhesive and thick. Looks good and matches pretty well. Saved my movie room chairs from the trash. Used a 10 length to cover up a rip in vinyl on a car seat. Cleaned the surface well with a solvent then just stuck it on. Was surprised how well it bonded. It's got a perfect thickness and pattern. Looks like the repair will last a long time. Decent color match. The product seems heavy duty and good quality. Number 2. Leather Repair Patch. Say goodbye to unsightly tears and holes. This large patch is perfect for repairing furniture, car seats, and more, saving you money and time. It's easily cut to any size you need. Its extra long width makes it ideal for larger furniture repair projects. Instead of replacing damaged items, use this to restore your favorite pieces. It adheres well and removes cleanly without leaving residue. Simply peel and stick. It takes only seconds to cover holes, rips, and stains, making repairs a breeze. Made with durable, professional-grade materials, it closely resembles real leather and provides a long-lasting repair. It adheres firmly and won't scratch your surfaces. From furniture and car seats to handbags and walls, it's the ultimate solution for a wide variety of repair needs. What we like. Its large size makes it ideal for tackling bigger repair jobs. The easy application process means you can get the job done quickly and efficiently. If you value convenience and a professional finish, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It's easy to use, sticks well, and the black color matches perfectly with my car's leather. Just cut the size you need and apply, it's that simple. The strong adhesive makes the repair look permanent, and the material is thick enough to withstand high traffic and rough handling while still being soft and comfortable. The adhesive is strong, and the material blends in nicely with the original leather. It was easy to cut and apply, and the size was perfect for covering a large tear. Number 1. Leather Repair Patch Kit. It's a large leather repair patch, perfect for fixing small tears on furniture, car seats, or even reupholstering your couch. Its large size gives you the flexibility to create many repairs. Made from premium, scratch-resistant, and waterproof leather, it's durable and safe for your family. The strong, eco-friendly adhesive ensures it stays put for a long time. This kit is perfect for repairing scratches, tears, holes, rips, burns, or cracks on a wide variety of surfaces. It works well on uneven or curved surfaces. It's incredibly easy to apply. Just clean the area, cut the patch to size, peel and stick. No heat, ironing, or sewing is needed. Bring your favorite furniture back to life with this simple and effective repair kit. It's a convenient and affordable solution for various repair needs. Use it on couches, car seats, chairs, bags, even boots. It's versatile enough to handle many different repair jobs around the house. What we like. This large patch is perfect for reupholstering or repairing larger pieces of furniture. The strong adhesive ensures it stays put, and the easy application makes it a breeze to use. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution for larger repairs, this is it. What people say. The product is easy to apply and extremely pliable and flexible and sticks to what you need to. Went out on a hard ride and the material worked perfectly. The adhesive is strong, the thickness is good, it looks better than ever and is holding up very well. Works well and is easy to use. Seems to hold up well also. Used it on several items, chair, footstool and other things. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.